Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve question number 1 and 2 of exercise 8.2. Hope you all have gone through the introductory part 1 and 2 so that you can understand exercise 8.2. If not, please go through it. Question number 1 says a man got a 10% increase in his salary. If his new salary is rupees 1,54,000, find his original salary. Here the question says a man got increase in his salary by 10%, and the new salary that now became will be 1,54,000, and we are supposed to find the original salary. Now, since we don't know the original salary, what we will do, we will suppose it as X. So I will write, let the original salary be rupees X. Now, therefore, the new salary will be increase in salary will be is equal to how much percentage? 10%. 10% of what? 10% of the original salary. But we don't know the original salary. So what we will write? We will write it as X. Further solving, 10% will become 10 divided by 100 multiplied by X. On solving this, we will get our increased in salary. Therefore, I will write increase in salary is equal to 10x divided by 100. Now, we know the formula to find new salary, or yes, we can say new salary is equal to original salary plus increased in salary. What was the new salary? New salary was 1,54,000. Original salary, we have supposed it as X, plus increased salary, how much it is? Right now we have came across, so it will be 10x divided by 100. Next step, this 100 we will take LCM, and 1,54,000 we will keep as it is. So it will become 100x plus 10x divided by 100. In next step, this 100 will come here and multiply by 1,54,000, and this will become 110x. Next step, X we will keep as it is over there, and rest we will take to LHS, that is 110. Now 0 and 0 will cancel out. We will divide 15,400 by 11. Let us divide it in rough. 11 ones are 11, that is 4. 4 will come down. So 11 4s are 44, and this 20 will carry up. So it will become 1400. 11 ones are 11, 1400s are into 100 will give us X. And what if we multiply this by 100? We will get 1,40,000. So our original salary, which they want us to find, will be 1,40,000. So we will write, therefore the original salary is 1,44,000 rupees. 1,44,000. Now let me write question number 2, then I will explain. So question says like this: on Sunday 845 people, that is 845 people went to the zoo. On Monday only 169 people went. What is the percent decrease in the people visiting the zoo on Monday? The question says like this, that on Sunday people visiting the zoo was 845. On Monday, that is the next day, that is the working day, people went to the zoo were 169 people. And they want us to find decrease percentage decrease on Monday. Students, to find the percentage which decrease on Monday, we want the number of people that is reduced. How many people reduce as compared to the Sunday. So what we will do? We will write people visited the zoo on Sunday is equal to 845. People visited the zoo on Monday is equal to 169. Therefore, decrease in the number of people on Monday is equal to 845 minus 169. If I calculate in rough, I will get this number as 676. So we now got the decrease in the number of people on Monday. So now we can easily find out decrease percentage, right? Decrease in the percentage. So percentage decrease will be decrease percent is equal to, what is the number of people decrease? 676. Divide by what was the total number of people on Sunday? It was 845. Multiply by 100 and we will put the percentage sign. Now let us calculate. 676 divided by 845 into 100. Let me calculate by 5. 5 ones are 5, 3 will be here, 5 6 are 30 and 5 9s are 45. 5 20s is 100. Now on calculating 169 divided by 676. Let me calculate 169. Yes, is it cancelling out by 3? No. 169 multiply by 9 4s are 36. Okay, let it be 4. 9 4s are 36. 6 4s are 24, 27. 4 1s are 4 and 6. So exactly it is divisible by 169 into 4. And eventually we will get 20 into 4 is 80%. So last line will be, therefore decrease percent of the number of people on Monday is equal to 80%. Hope you all have understood this question. If not, please go through it once more so that you can understand it properly. We will meet with new questions in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.